Good morning, it's February 20th, 2025. Welcome to Makiba Dojo. Hello, I'd like to talk a little bit about why I put this channel together. So I am getting myself prepared for my 6th degree black belt test in Iraqi Mujin Sayuru. I leave for Japan in exactly 2 weeks from today. So I put this channel together to chronicle myself getting ready, but also to kind of get my students showing that you should always be working a little harder, always keep in there practicing, always polish the martial art so you become that much better. No complacency, no matter what rank you are, there's always more you can achieve, there's always more you can work at. So this is kind of what I put this together. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy putting it out there for you. All right, today's tip of the day, sitting in Seiza. Now, I know a lot of you, if you weren't raised Japanese, Seiza can be a very challenging position to get into. I've been doing this for over 20 years, still not the most comfortable position to get into, but it's something crucial, especially in our style of Iaido. So, let's work on getting into Seiza first. So, thumbs into the edge of the hakama. Gather with your fingers, don't pull out so much, just gather. Bend your knees, and then left, right, and then push your toes out and come down. Release the hakama, bring your hands forward. Nice and straight, good posture. Slightly forward, and this is a good position. So some good exercises for you to do to help you get into Seiza and so it's not so uncomfortable. So one of the ones we do in the dojo here is we stretch backwards. So we go back like this. This way you're stretching the tendons and the muscles in your legs. Helps you get into this position easier. A lot of times your legs are just too tense or they're just not used to being in this position. So have some patience, work on it, stretch your legs out. This will help quite a bit. So usually I'll stretch backwards and we can also come forward and stretch as well. So hopefully these two stretches, you do them regularly, they'll also help you get into Seiza. So keep practicing your Seiza and we'll see you next time.